Here's what not to do. This is for Toy Bash. It is the 3.41. This is the Bouncy Fist mod. What you do is you hold both hands so that these little green sticky thingies stay. The pecs extend both. And bend both of the elbows. Sorry for crappy camera work. They bounce off of your body, promptly taking off your arms. Right side, now you've got a longer neck. The end.